Good evening to everyone. My name is ANOOP BA. So, I have completed my BTech Mechanical Engineering in Presidency University. So, I've joined the Qspiders in February of this 2020. So, first thing, I'll come to SQL. So, SQL was taught by Kiran sir. So, I'm working as a data engineer. Really, it taught it very well, and it taught from scratch. It really helped me a lot. And next, coming to manual testing, Pradeep sir, no words for him. His explanation is really awesome, and even the concepts or the contents is really very good. And next, coming to Java, Shankar sir, I really missed the offline class. So, everyone said that offline class, Shankar sir does very well. But the thing is, I missed it. But even in online class, he explained it very well. And even if we learn Java, we might think we can't learn other things. Everything is connected. Just by learning Java, you can learn Python, Scala, everything, etc. So even thank you, Shankar sir. And next, coming to Selenium, I literally thank to Santosh sir. And coming to Hemant sir, really I need to thank him for giving me an opportunity to a very good company. Thank you.